Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Uti Jimbi.
Stibo,
Yeah.
into engayisho kokuqala nje. Inganika iKaizer Chiefs players. All of them men of the match.
Yes.
The reason why? Because they stopped Sundown not scoring 4 goals.
Yes.
So all of them, they are deserve men of the match.
Basamile.
Yes. Number 1, number 2, Chiefs. Angeke ishaye Sundowns.
No.
Why? From ICU.
Yes. I see you.
ICU. Yes. ICU. You say Sundowns.
Intensive care.
Chiefs iphuma I see you.
Yes, since ihanjiswe super sport. ICU. Bayidisashe today ngo-9.
ICU yini?
But bona bayithatha bazobuya badefend bashaye Sundowns. From ICU. Bazoshaya Sundowns. Eyina 51 points. Ngeke yenzeke.
Never.
Number 2, 3. The Chiefs, the team has a tax rank.
Yeah.
Takes from tax rank to Duza rank. 1975, the Chiefs here from Yakupi to Duza rank. I'm a tax driver. From Kaizer 11. But we are in change about the Kaizer Chiefs, but the Chinchakulufa. About driver, Jimmy Kaizer Mtaum.
Yes.
But into engayisho ngeSundowns. Thina sisho ukuthi sifuna iBarcelona, sifuna iBayern Munich, sifuna what. Whatever ozayo. Whatever ozayo thina asinandaba nayo. Laba bashaya iChippa United ngo-3-0 but bafuna iSundowns.
Yes. United. But we finish Man United.
Bafuna Man United.
What hopefully Man United.
What?